What is up, everyone? Let's get right into it. Today, I am going to unboxing and testing the USB Plasmab Rechargeable Electric Gas Lighter for puja room, candles, barbecue, multi-purpose, 360-degree flexible and windproof rose gold. Ronx's Flameless and Windproof technology. No flame, no hassle. The electric arc creates a windproof plasma beam that works flawlessly even in strong wind or rain. Perfect for outdoor and indoor use. Ronx's flexible 360 degrees neck design. Easily adjust the long, flexible gooseneck to reach deep candle jars, gas stoves, barbecue grills, lanterns, and more. Safer and more convenient than traditional lighters. Ronx's USB rechargeable and eco-friendly. Say goodbye to disposable lighters. This rechargeable lighter includes a Type-C charging cable and LED battery indicators. One full charge offers hundreds of uses. Ronx's advanced safety features equipped with a safety switch, 7-second auto shut-off, and no open flame. This lighter is child-resistant and safe to use around the home or campsite. Ronx's multi-purpose and travel-ready. Ideal for lighting candles, cooking, grilling, fireworks, and camping. Lightweight and portable design makes it the perfect companion for your adventures. I purchased this product for Diwali. The battery lifespan is nice and was able to lamp 100 candles easily. Its bow size is decent and foldable. Overall good quality product, easy to function. Value for money. That's all for today. Hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.